All right, there's just one thing that I wanted to clear up from the solving polynomials using technology lesson in Edgenuity. On the second slide, they have this polynomial x cubed plus 6x squared minus 40x equals 192. And the first way that they show you how to do it, remember, if you don't have a graphing calculator at home, if you just Google graphing calculator and choose the first one there that says Desmos, that's a really good tool, and it's very similar to using just a TI-83. So if you do have a graphing calculator, you would go into y equals, and then they wanted you to type in the left-hand side of the polynomial, and then in the next line, put the right-hand side. So on the next one down, put 192. Now, if your calculator is like mine, or probably the Desmos one as well, you can't even see where those intersections are. What you were trying to find out is, where does this graph equal 192? So there's going to be a flat line up here at 192. What I think is actually easier to solve these is I would subtract 192 from both sides so that your equation equals 0. Because then we're trying to find where this equation equals 0. And where it equals 0 is where it goes across the x-axis. So I don't have that typed in right now, so let me go back into my y equals. I'm going to get rid of that 192 plus 6x squared minus 40x minus 192. So now when I graph it, there's our polynomial right there. And again, since we have the equation set equal to 0, that means we need to figure out where this graph goes across our x-axis there. If they're perfect whole numbers, you can get those values from the table. So if you hit second graph, anywhere that this y value is 0, that's one of the solutions for the polynomial. So we have, looks like -8, -4, and 6. So what that means is if you plug -8 into all of these x's and simplify, you'll get 0. And same with -4 and same with 6.